Hi, and welcome to today's 10-minute meditation where we are going to absorb trusting in the universe. And if you hear any little voices in the background, I still have the grandchildren with me. So just allow the distractions to bring you back to where you are within your body, within your spirit. We will begin with the prayer of protection and the Lord's Prayer. I'll guide us through a very simple meditation, and we'll sit there in silence, just trusting the beautiful energy and answers and love, the unconditional love, the freedom that comes to us. After that quiet time is over, we hear a little bell, and as we pull our presence back into our body, we'll close with the 23rd Psalm. So let's get started. Take a deep breath and just close your eyes and invite yourself to relax and go deeper. Take another deep breath and invite yourself to go even deeper. For a few minutes, let's just let everything go. You can pick it up when we're done if you choose to. Release those blocks. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. Just relax and allow yourself to go a little deeper. Let's bring our attention up to our forehead, just between our eyebrows, to our third eye, and to the crown of our head, the very top of our head. Notice both these places have a sensation. This is where the energy of unconditional love and abundance flows into us from God, the divine, the Christ. We are constantly being fed this beautiful stream. Let us follow this beautiful stream as it flows into our head. Notice how you immediately relax even further. Your scalp is tingling. It flows down into your neck, opening up all the different portals and just relaxing you. When you pay attention to it flowing into your trunk, overflowing your arms and your hands, you notice this vibration, this perfectly tuned vibration for your body. As it fills you up and flows into your legs, your feet, your toes, everything is just perfect. Everything is as it should be. We can trust this constant flow to always be there, just as we trust our breath to come to us. Our breath comes and goes on its own. We don't make it, we don't make ourselves breathe. We can trust in our breath. It is spirit that comes to us, the spirit of life, the breath of life. We can trust in the breath of life And we can trust in this flow of energy. No requirement from us. It's just given to you. Let us sit and know we can make it through any storm. We can make it through any trial because the breath of life and the abundance of this beautiful divine energy is always with us. Take a moment and just be really grateful for that security of knowing that this beautiful energy and this breath of life, you can always trust in. And as we bring our attention fully back into our bodies, we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. And if you guys could hear all the noise I was hearing through this meditation and stay focused, you're doing great. See you tomorrow. Thanks for joining me. Bye.